The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a tornado warning for Canadian County in central Oklahoma, Reno County in central Oklahoma, until 7:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time, National Weather Service meteorologists and storm spotters have been tracking a large and extremely dangerous tornado near El Reno, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard: dangerous tornado and softball-size hail. Source: radar-indicated rotation. Impact: you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris will instantly kill people outside. Precautionary/preparedness: take cover now. You are in a dangerous and life-threatening situation. Get to a storm shelter, a basement, or at the lowest floor of a sturdy building.